I'm going to do plus sign. This plus sign is going to be little bit dark. Shading area, so shading area is like upside down V, or you can say triangle. Over here I will do one V straight line, one V, kind of like a star style, and then I will erase inside line, because when I'm going to shade I don't want anything here. So I got this one. Now for the petals, so what we can do, we can shade little bit to get the idea. These lines are going to be this way, this direction, these are going to be this way, from here and from here. So this is little bit idea. Now I can start from here. I will go here and wiggle, and I can come all the way here. Now from here, so not straight, kind of I will start. So can you see this is creating kind of like a V, or you can do a little bit less, that's also fine, but little bit curve here this way, so still you can see V here, and it will go all the way to here. So you can go here, create this one, and come here. Same thing I will do, kind of like a this V area, go here, come this way, and go here. So I can see this one looks bigger and this one looks a little bit smaller. So I will go a little bit more roundish over here, and I will erase this one. And if you think this one is big, so you can erase and mix with a little bit flat style this way. So almost same size. Now the fourth one is little bit tricky. So this is my guideline. I will start from here, and this is the guideline here. So a little bit here, or maybe here I can go. So for this one I will go here and I will connect here. For this side I will start from here and I have to go almost here, like this. So I got these lines. So my flower is ready. Now I'm going to erase all the guidelines. So I will draw two lines, a little bit thicker. So this one. Now for the leaf, what we can do, we can just randomly draw a line like this, and we can just go 2 or 3 randomly like that. Now we have to start from here and just go like a little bit zigzag, but not too much, and pointed this one. So when I'm going, I'm creating them some pointed on the top, and then zigzag and some random. Maybe it looks odd, so I will add one more here. Now I have to cover this area, so for that I will go one this way, and I will go zigzag area here, pointed, coming here, here like that, one more, or maybe one more like that. So whenever I go on the top, I make pointed area here. So this way we can make the leaf. So we are done. So now it's time to do use the pen. If you don't want to, you don't have to, but if you want to, erase and make sure your lines are a little bit lighter. So I'm going to use marker here, or pen, whatever you want, plus sign here, and make it a little bit thicker. So if you go a little bit here and there, that's totally fine. We are not going to trace this one. So before I will do the stem, I will do the leaf. Now I will do the stem over here, and let's do the shading part. Once you are done, if you want to erase extra line, go ahead and erase all the lines, whatever you can see.